And today we're going to be checking out the SYMA X300 camera drone. That's right, this is a little play indoor drone. You can take it outside as well, but if it's really windy, you really don't want to fly it outside. So make wise choices, because if it's really windy and you get it up in the air, it's not coming back. But this little drone is foldable. Like I said, it has a little 1080p camera. It's going to be great for beginners. It's going to be great for people who want to learn how to fly drones. And it's just going to be a great little fun toy and gift. What we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera down. We're going to take a closer look at this, unbox it, and then we're actually going to fly it. All right, so here's the little drone right here. We're going to go ahead and pop this box open. SYMA drones are great little flyers. I've had very good luck with these. And check this out. I got a nice little sky blue drone. Very, very cool. Let's see what else is inside. There is a manual inside that box. And look at all this stuff. Now you do see you have a controller right here. Got all your buttons up here. This drone is going to have things like altitude hold, auto takeoff. It usually has a headless mode, and it usually has multiple speeds as well. But we'll check out and see what all functions this little drone carries. Inside here, you're going to have a charge cord. You have a screwdriver for servicing your drone, and you also have a phone clip that connects to the controller. And we're going to set that up here in just a moment. And then inside here, you have a big full set of prop guards that you can stick on. So if you're flying indoors, I do recommend these, because if you hit your dog, if you hit your brother, if you hit the wall, it's going to protect them from the propellers. Plus it's going to protect your drone as well. One more mystery box here. This is usually extra props and parts and stuff. And it's just like I thought. You have a battery here. Let's see if we have two batteries. Does it come with two batteries or one battery? Looks like your battery door is in the back. That just flips down, and there is a battery inside. So you do have a spare battery. How cool. And that's a pretty sizable battery too, so I would expect you're going to get a decent flight time. And then on top of the extra set of props and the extra battery, you have the little chrome center caps that go on the drones to cover the screws. And that's what the screwdriver is for, so you can swap out props or replace a broken one if need be. And you would also use that screwdriver for putting your batteries in right here. So the way you set your controller up is you're going to take this little phone clip. You can see it, that has this little protrusion right here. And you have a slot right here. And you just simply click it in just like that. Push it till you hear it snap. And then this clip will hold your phone. And you need this to put your phone in, because when you're using the app and flying with the SYMA app, it's going to allow you to see what this little drone actually sees and record and take pictures. Very nice. To unfold your drone, you just simply unsnap it like this, and your drone will be ready for action. You got your little 1080p camera right here. You will connect your battery in the back so you can power this thing up. It is a special connector that I haven't seen before to keep you from hooking your battery up incorrectly. That could damage your drone, so that's a nice little safety feature. Here's your on button. You just hit that. Got green in the back, red in the front. We're going to hold this down and shut it off because we're not quite ready to fly yet. And if you do decide to put these prop guards on, and so to install this prop guard, you have two little slots here on the end, and you have little slots on the prop guard. And you're just going to slide it into the arm. And then you see this looks like two vampire fangs right here. We're going to flip that down, and that's actually going to go inside right here. You have two little tiny holes right there, and that's going to lock this prop guard into place. So super easy to do. No tools required. It only takes a second. So what I think we need to do now is we're going to go ahead. We're going to get some footage out of this drone. We're going to fly it around a little bit, and we're going to go over the different flight modes and the flips and the headless mode and all that good stuff. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this thing up in the sky, calibrating the compass by pushing down to the right, and now we're going to go ahead and take off. Alrighty, so the right stick, if you push it down, is how you change your speed. And then if you hold down the right stick, then that is going to put you in headless mode, because the right stick that you fly with is also a button if you push it down. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to do a flip. Oh. Sorry, that was the auto takeoff. Just like that. You hold down the top right button and then push the direction that you want to flip. Just that easy. We are recording through the little camera. It is a 1080p camera, which is really cool. So you can kind of fly around and use it like an FPV drone. It does have a FPV mode if you want to put your phone in a pair of goggles, so you could like actually see directly what the drone sees. You can fly with your phone only. You don't need the remote, which is really cool. And it's just a nice little capable little flyer. You can see me kind of zooming around my neighbor's yard. Luckily, they like me and don't mind me flying, but it's a nimble flyer. You can shoot the gap, go through tight places. I have the prop guards on to keep it safe, and it's just a nice handling little drone. Very, very cool. Fully functional, fast, and fun. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.